Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. My name is Samantha. I am a first year vocational training student in business administration, and today in this video we are going to let's do exercise 03A in its five types using relative reference, functions, variables and others. Let's do it. In the first case, we already know that we are going to use the relative reference, which are the basic operations. Once we have created our structure to be able to work with our data, we are going to carry out the operations, okay? Remembering that the green data, okay, are the input data and the orange data are the output data. In this case, we have income, okay, in this case income and expenses, and we have to add them together. In this case, income is this, is shops, bakery, hotels and others, and the expenses is real materials, land and taxes. In this case, I have again made the same sum, okay. In this case, income, okay, shops, bakery and hotels and others, and expenses for the results, and the same for the expenses, okay, is this. This exercise is quite simple and does not require a lot of operations. Then in the difference, okay, in this case difference, what we have done is a subtraction to find out if our income is more than our expenses or vice versa. In this case, is income is this G11 and G12, okay, minus and intro. That's really it for case 1. In case number 2, we are going to use functions. In this case, we have only used the addition function, okay, as there are no more operations. Subtraction, but subtraction does not count as a function, okay. In this case, incomes, okay, the function sum, okay, using the function sum is this, okay. The rank is D8 and D11, and the expenses is the function sum D15 and D17, okay. Intro and the results, okay, it's the sum function, okay, the same, or what we could have done in this case is to tell it that the cell of the 13 no 12 is the total income is equal to this one. In this case is a symbol equal and this. Click on the cell 11, okay, 12, okay, D12 and intro. We have the same amount, so we don't have to do the operation again, okay. And the expenses is the same, okay. The expenses function sum, and the difference, what is the subtraction of income, okay, minus expenses, okay, intro. And that was all for case 2. For the next case, we are going to use the variables. We already know that we have to create them and then combine them with the functions, okay? In this case, as you can see, here there are these variables created, okay? In this case, in formulas, name manager is this 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I have used the sum function and told it to raise and told it to sum the entire income variable for me. Okay, in this case, sum and income. In expenses is the same, okay? In this case, the function sum and the variable expenses. For income, okay, I have created the variable this total income, okay, this D12, okay, and that's it. Is this equal and total income is the total, and the expenses is the same. The variable is total expenses, okay, D18, okay, is this. And the difference, I have done a subtraction, but I have used the variables, okay. In this case, total income, okay, is this minus total expenses and intro. And that's it for case 3. For case number 4, it is the same. We just need to know that we have a book and we are going to work on different sheets, okay? We already know that we have to separate input and output data. In this case is data and outcomes, okay? We are going to work on the outcomes sheet, and we know that we have to combine it with function. In this case, the sum function, okay, is this, and the sum, okay, delete, okay, one moment, sum, open parentheses, and come to the data, select the range and close the parentheses. In the expenses is the same, okay, is sum and data and intro. And for the difference, we already know that it is a subtraction, okay. In this case, income minus expenses, intro, okay. Here is case 4, which is quite simple, as we don't have that much data either. In the case number 5, we already know that we have to work on different books. This exercise can be done and separate in different ways. In my case, I have separated in 3 parts: expenses, incomes, and results. So we open the 3 books and we begin, okay. Select the books and open. Perfect. here are the three books. Okay, in this case is income and results and expenses. In my case, I am going to work with the output data, which are the results using the sum functions. Okay, in this case, write the function sum. Okay, and the next step is go to view and switch views windows, sorry, and in this case income. Select the range. Okay, is this, and close parentheses. Perfect. Is this quantity. In expenses is very similar. Okay, is the function sum and with windows and expenses. Select the range and close parentheses. And we already know that finally to calculate the difference we have to do a subtraction of income minus expenses. Okay, in this case is this D7 minus D8 enter. And we have now solved the exercise in the five possible ways. As we have seen, it was quite simple. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye bye.